Hey, welcome to Science Decoder, the place where curiosity meets discovery. Together, we'll uncover the hidden stories of our world and beyond.
You know, the universe isn't just out there, it's in here, tangled up inside us, like a dark whisper we're almost afraid to fully hear. At the very edge of everything we know, the cosmos keeps its secrets. And some of these secrets, they're so profound, so utterly relentless, that science itself seems to stumble, to fall silent. Let's begin with dark matter, this invisible ghost that outweighs everything we can see in the night sky. Combined, it doesn't shine, it doesn't reflect, doesn't absorb any light. It's like a shadow, holding the galaxy together, this unseen structure beneath the cosmic dance. Almost 80% of all the matter in the universe is this dark substance. And no one has directly touched it or even glimpsed it directly, even though we've tried everything. Particle accelerators, deep space detectors, but it hides, refusing to reveal itself. And that's the real question, isn't it? If it's all around us, if it's what keeps the stars spinning at those impossible speeds, why can't we figure out what it really is? What if all our best ideas are just faint guesses in a vast darkness no human eye can ever fully pierce? And then there's its partner, the other half of this dance of mystery, dark energy. This isn't just space expanding, it's expanding faster and faster, pushing galaxies apart with a force that seems to defy gravity itself. This energy makes up most of the universe's fabric, yet it's utterly alien. Imagine a force woven into the very emptiness of space, and it's growing stronger the more space expands. The more the universe grows, the stranger it becomes. This ever-accelerating expansion that could someday tear everything apart. Or maybe it will settle into a cold, silent stillness forever. What is this energy? A property of space itself? Or something else entirely? Even science can barely whisper an answer here. Now, let's consider black holes. Those monstrous echoes, those places where space and time fold in on themselves. We can see their shadows, hear the ripples they send through space-time, but inside, physics breaks down. All our elegant theories, they shatter. What lies beyond the event horizon? A gateway? A passage to another universe? Or just oblivion? And then what about the paradox? If information that falls in is lost, does that mean the universe itself forgets? That's a secret nature refuses to share. The universe's very birth remains a whisper in a locked chamber. The Big Bang itself. We see the afterglow in faint ancient light that bathes the cosmos, but what caused that violent birth? Was there nothing before? Or something? Space itself inflated faster than the speed of light in this brief, miraculous instant. But why? And did it even happen that way? Some scientists imagine a multiverse, an infinite patchwork of realities where every possible variation exists somewhere. But how do you test infinity? Or even escape the confines of this universe just to glimpse another? Closer to home, the mystery of our own solar system still baffles astronomers. Beyond Neptune, there's the potential for a hidden giant, Planet X or Planet 9, a massive, slow-moving shadow that some data hints at, but no one has actually seen it yet. Why do some distant objects dance in these incredibly elongated orbits? Could this unseen guardian reshape our understanding of our cosmic neighborhood? And what secrets might be locked beneath the thick clouds of Venus, or hidden within the ancient rocks of Mars. Now, here's a question that cuts deeper. Are we alone? Life on Earth, it floods us with this complexity and this strangeness that we barely understand. But elsewhere, on Mars, on icy moons circling distant planets, hidden in the atmosphere of Venus, phosphine was detected high above Venus, these chemical whispers hinting at life in the clouds, although it's still unconfirmed. And with the James Webb Telescope peering into star systems light years away, searching for the faintest biosignatures, the silence, it stretches and tightens. If life is everywhere, why haven't we heard a single word? What if life itself is just an unrepeatable cosmic accident? Quantum entanglement, the universe's most confounding mystery. It binds particles separated by light years in this incredible cosmic handshake. Change one and the other shifts instantly. Einstein, he famously derided it as spooky action at a distance because it's gut-wrenching. It challenges the very idea of locality and causality. Could this be a hint to a deeper reality, a thread weaving all things in the cosmos together? Are we bound in these invisible symphonies beyond space-time? Or does this mean our universe is just one part of a larger interconnected whole? The universe breathes in cosmic inflation. This is a theory that inflamed the first seconds after the Big Bang, stretching a quantum speck into all we see today. But did that inflation actually happen? Or is it just a story we tell to fill the silence of our ignorance? If it did, what lies beyond our visible horizon? Are there other bubbles, expanding, colliding, birthing other universes all around us? A multiverse of endless possibility and infinite mystery. And finally, the largest shadow of all, the fate of the universe. Will it keep expanding forever, cooling into a cold, empty eternity? Or will it reverse, collapsing in a fiery death? Or maybe a wild, chaotic tear through its very fabric, a big rip or a big crunch? We watch, we wait, our tiny lives ticking in the vastness of cosmic time, uncertain if the stars themselves will one day flicker out. So here's what I want you to remember. In this dark hour, our universe is not a book that's already written. It is a story, still unfolding, and it's stitched together with mysteries that refuse any easy resolution. These enigmas, they are the very pulse of cosmic truth beating beneath the surface. They defy our science, they challenge our minds, and they whisper secrets we're not supposed to hear. What if knowing these secrets means we're not just observers, but participants in a cosmic riddle with no final answer? Somewhere out there in the vast, uncharted dark, the universe is waiting. What will it tell us next?
This is Science Decoder, signing off. Until our next journey, keep exploring and keep asking why.